is Nina Perez, and this is Memoirs of a Fat Girl. If you could tell, I'm wrapped up because it is cold.
It is.
It is cold. It is 30 degrees, I think, if that. It is freezing, but we are out here. Actually, it's just 3 of us right now.
34 degrees.
It feels colder than that. And you know what? That's okay. We're out here. So this is PJ, your fitness concierge, and he didn't quit, so we can't quit, right? We got to keep doing what we do. We got to keep doing what we do.
That's right.
So we are gonna be out here doing a what did you call it?
So when it's cold out and you still got to work out, you got to get it in. So tonight, what we're going to do is 1,800 seconds. If you do the math, but we're going to break them up in 600-second segments for 3 times. 600 seconds is 10 minutes. 10 minutes of activity. We're going to keep the bodies moving. We're going to always, whether it's abdominals, whether it's jacks, whether it's plyometrics, whether it's wall sits, we're going to keep our bodies moving. 10 minutes. We are going to rest 2 minutes. We're going to get the second one in. We'll rest 2 minutes, and we'll finish strong with that last 10 minutes of work.
If we got to rest 2 minutes, I mean, this is going to be intense.
Ooh. Y'all are going to be sweating and be like,
man.
don't peel anything off, because even when you're sweating like this, you got to leave the layers on. It's
I have
too
a lot
cold.
of layers, too. I feel like I'm a little stiff, but
There
that's
you
okay.
go.
It's cold.
It's
so.
too cold to take them off. So we're going to get started, and we'll catch you on the flip side.
All right.
welcome.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Woo! That was intense. I don't know if any of you guys ever worked out like that, but damn, my fat ass was crawling up a wall. Trying to anyway.
Nope. And
Oh.
each time you get stronger and stronger.
Yeah, I mean, you just start to you start figuring out what you can and can't do, like how
That's
much
right.
weight you can distribute. That was really tough.
When we started, it was 34 degrees. It's now 29. And the whole thing about outdoor gear, look, I got layers on. Everybody's layered out. But as you start moving, you start getting so hot. You're like, oh, I got to peel it off. Chill. Don't pull it all off. You can pull a little bit off. You can open the coat up a little bit and stuff like that. But the whole purpose of tonight was to get it in. We did a 30-minute workout. We did it. We broke it down. I call them 1800s. 1800 seconds. That's 30 minutes. We broke them down 600 seconds at a time. We had 1 minute of recovery in between the 10 minutes.
Wow.
That's 600 seconds. We had 1 minute of recovery, and then we kept moving. And in each phase, we worked legs. We did some plyometric. We worked the arms. We did a ton of core. We did a lot of jacks. Those of them that couldn't jump, we modified, and we did some handstands on the wall. And
Wow.
well done. Well done.
That was super hard. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you click the little bell notification. As you can see, we're really doing some stuff here. This is not a game. This is for real, for real. We are on episode 78 at this point, right?
Look, I can see my breath. Yep.
Yeah.
70.
78, guys. That
70.
means, you know, when I told you I was starting this journey and we were starting this together in journey 1, I wasn't kidding. We're still doing it. So if you're interested, please email me at hello@memoirsoffatgirl.live. You can also go onto our website at memoirsoffatgirl.live and check out our shop. We have a bunch of t-shirts and stuff on there. That's how you can support this channel. Another way you support this channel is by sharing and liking and, you know, letting everybody know about this healthy community, because I'm very serious about getting people on board who are not really about health yet, but want to be. That's what we're here for, to transform your lives. I mean, PJ takes this job very seriously. This is what he's been doing for most of his life, I think, right?
Yep.
So this is a very serious thing, and we have fun doing it. I mean, today was the
It
troopers.
was good.
It
Yep.
was the troopers
That's
today.
right. We were 5 strong.
Yep.
But you know what? We got it done.
We got it
Well
done.
done. Well
and then
done.
we're talking about people that have, you know, like I have knee problems. One of the other young ladies here has a knee problem, but we did it.
That's
I
right.
mean, we
We
climbed.
keep it safe. Listen, Dr. Juan will hurt me if I hurt everybody.
Yeah,
so,
exactly.
You know, all these conditions, we're working on them at the same time, staying healthy, eating right, exercising, sleeping, and seeing other professionals that help us with our ailments.
Yeah. So guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. Again, I'm Nina Perez, your host here on Memoirs of a Fat Girl. This is PJ, your fitness concierge, and we are here for you. So make sure that you look at all the links. I am going to link below, and then that way you can email PJ if you have any kind of fitness questions or want to talk to him about being your personal trainer. And you can email me about any other questions. And if you are a health expert, nutritionist, anything like that, and you want to be on the show, maybe cooking a recipe or something with me, go ahead and reach out. Okay? Have a good one. Until next time.
Fat out.